Hello everyone, welcome to our Analyst Hot Takes. I'm Elisa Stupar and here with me we have Nick Mays, our Principal Analyst from the UK. Welcome, Nick.
Hi.
Hi. I have a good question for you today. What do you think are the hot topics that you hear about in the market today?
Yeah, there's lots of hot topics in the market today, and I would say we see lots of obviously exciting technology developments happening right now. I mean, topics like Gen AI, like customer engagement. I also see a lot of very interesting business topics emerging as the economy becomes that bit more challenging. So, how customers are trying to take cost out of their business, how they're trying to be more flexible and agile to roll with the changing economy, and how they can maximize their profits whilst trying to grow their revenue as much as possible too.
I see. Which one out of these topics do you think is particularly relevant right now and why?
Yeah, I think number one is this focus on improving efficiency. But I think it's not just improving efficiency, it's about transforming the business at the same time. And we've been talking a lot about a lot of companies in sectors which are a bit less mature in terms of digital transformation. So, for example, higher education organizations, maybe second tier retail businesses, law firms. These are companies which, for the first time, I think since the pandemic, are facing new business drivers, new factors which they've never faced before in perhaps tens or even hundreds of years. And now, because the economy is starting to get that much tougher, they're having to really fundamentally change their business whilst taking cost out. And of course, technology plays a key part in that as well.
I see. What is the impact do you think this will have on the buyers and sellers in the upcoming months or even years?
Yeah, I think that's going to be interesting. So for the buyer's point of view, in many cases, they're trying to work with technology partners for the first time in a big way. And they're going to have to be prepared to make sure that the kind of commercial arrangements they put in place with their technology partners, be they software or IT services companies, gives them both the flexibility they need as the economy changes, but also delivers the right outcomes for their business. So they're not just buying software or technology for the sake of it. It's really delivering, what their business needs. I think what that means for the technology community, so software and IT services companies, they're going to have to spend a bit more time and effort really trying to understand the drivers in these markets because they've not really sold into them before in a big way. So they will have to bring in some experts who understand these markets, who, they can talk the same language as the people who are leading those businesses, and make sure that their products has really got the right sorts of functionality to deliver the business outcomes that customers need. So yeah, I think there's going to be some interesting developments on both sides.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for your insights.
No problem.